Hello friends, let's talk about average cost. In this case, I just want to use shipping example, shipping some items. So the average cost of shipping X number of items is the cost of shipping one item provided you shipped X items, right? Provided X items are shipped. So let's take this example. Let's take this example. Let C of x equals 10x plus 200 be the total cost of shipping X number of items, X number of cars in this case, right? I want to find the average cost of shipping 10 cars and also the average cost of shipping 2 cars. So, how do I find that? Usually, average cost is denoted as C bar. So remember my total cost is this function here, C of x equals 10x plus 200. So my average cost is denoted as C bar, and the formula for average cost is you take the total cost divided by the number of items, the total number of items, which is x, right? Now, uh, my function from the problem, my C of x is 10x plus 200 divided by x, right? And if you simplify this, you just get 10 plus 200x. Okay, so now A, this is the cost, the average cost function. This C bar of x is the average cost function. So my A is, I want to find the average cost of shipping 10 cars. So all I have to do is to plug 10 into C bar. So I plug 10 into that. So I have 10 plus 200 divided by 10, and this is just 10 plus 20, which is 30. So what does this mean, right? What's the interpretation? This 30, what does it mean? It means that the cost of shipping just one car, if I shipped 10 cars, provided I ship 10 cars, the cost of just shipping one car is $30. So that's what it means. So let me just write it. Let me copy it here. The cost of shipping a car, provided that I ship, I shipped 10 cars, is what is $30. That's the interpretation. Okay, so we found A. So let's find B. Let's find B. So B is, we want to find the cost of shipping 2 cars, the average cost rather of shipping 2 cars. So the what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to plug in 2 into this function, right? Into this part. I'm just going to plug in 2 into that. And let me plug in, let me use a different color. So I have C bar of 2 is just going to be 10 plus 200 divided by 2, and this is just 10 plus 100, and this is 110. This is 110. So what does this mean? It means that the cost of shipping one car, provided that I shipped 2 cars, is going to be 110. So I don't know if you can see the difference, right? So let me just copy the interpretation. So the cost of shipping one car, provided I ship 2 cars, is going to be 110. So what can we derive from these 2 calculations? So we can see that, for example, maybe we just want to use a truck, right? We want to use a truck to move all the cars, right? It is the same distance the truck is going to travel, right? If the truck carries 10 cars, right, and it is the same distance. For example, the truck is moving from Texas to Minnesota, right? It's the same distance. So it's better the truck carries more cars, right, than the truck just carries less cars. So from here we can see that if the truck carries 10 cars, the price is going to reduce for each of the car, right? And if the truck carries maybe just only 2 cars, the price is going to increase. The average cost is going to increase. So that's what we can infer from this, that the more the number of items, the lesser the average cost using this model, this function, because it's a linear function. So I hope this helps you understand average cost. Thank you.